Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here we go, guys. This is another melt. This is beautiful cucumber. That's some turkey, sliced turkey. That's some sliced Havarti. That's some sourdough bread. We're gonna add some mayo. It's gonna be cooked with butter, a little salt and pepper. Greetings, Mike Foster here. Guess what? It's another beautiful melt. No fried egg this time, but if I have fried egg and turkey melts, I have fried egg and turkey sandwiches, so there's no need to be a fried egg added to this, because this is the first time I've had turkey melt with cucumber. So I'm going to meet you over at the counter, show you how to prepare the cucumber, and then put this baby together. All right, so what you do is let's get rid of this skin. I don't want skin on this one. Just like that. So do this all around. You hear that loud noise in the background? That just interrupted my lovely video. That's my air conditioning unit. It is starting to get warm here. The temp is almost 90. And that unit will turn on. It's a great unit. It's a little insight about your buddy Mike. All right, let's slice these babies. Super, super thin. See that? All right. I'm going to finish the rest of these. Meet you at the stove to put this turkey melt together. I'll see you there. All right. You're going to put some butter on the bread like this. So we want it to be all toasty and crispy. All right, you put that one down like that. Do the same to the other one. Just like that. All right. This is on medium pan. Next, you can take a little mayo. Just put a little, because we're going to add mayo. A lot of mayo. And here's the key to the melt. This is Havarti cheese. Pick whatever cheese you want. Havarti is great for melts. A little more mayo. Told you we put some mayo on. A little more mayo. Here are those cukes we just chopped up. So you're going to place those guys all over this bread. They're nice and thin, so they'll hang in there. Nice and thin to hang in. You need to rhyme to make this work. I ain't no jerk. Schmark. Now this is where you add the pepper, because cucumbers love pepper. You know what else cucumbers love? Salt. So easy on the salt, guys. Gas just a few sprinkles. Now here's 3 slices of turkey. I'm going to put it on like this. What else do you think we need? A little mayo so it'll stick together right there. The rest is slow and go. Keep this on medium. Let's get that cheese a little melted, then we'll give it the old flip-through. See you then. What we're going to do now is take this side, because you don't want all those cukes to go crazy, and give it a flip. That looked pretty professional. Then you smash it down. The old presseroo. All right. Remember, this is still on medium. You want to stay on medium because for the cheese to melt properly, you don't want to burn the bottom. But what I will do is cover it. Let's give it the old cover. I'm going to check it again in about 1.5 minutes. See you then. All right, let's see how we're doing. Okay, another press. Let's see how this bottom looks. I'm hoping it's, ooh, just like that. Toasty brownie. Oh, perfect. Another 2 minutes covered. This baby will be ready. And I'll meet you at the counter. All right, there's the close-up. Let's cut it in half. Little sliceroo. And let's reveal it. There it is. That proves it's cucumbers in it right there. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. You know what's in it? Oh, it's gonna be in me. All right. I taste the savoriness of the butter mixing with the turkey first. I get the crunch of those cukes, the mayo creamy, the cheese super creamy. Oh, it's killer diller. Check out my videos at Live Life 365 at YouTube. Tell people about it. Subscribe. Until next time. Peace. That's pretty good.
Live life 365.
Lazarus. I'm not kidding. Slurpy Burke. Sometimes you just have to make rhymes up. There's another one right there. Sweet baby. Sweet baby babu. I choked on the babu. The babu got him. You mind your own business. And then babu comes in, chokes you. First time for everything. I never thought I'd see the day. Baba.